Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by establishing control. Plug your bass into the pedal, run to the amp, and set playing volume near halfway so you can hear changes without distortion. Next, set ratio to about 4:1 and a moderate attack, around 10 milliseconds, so transients are shaped but not squashed. Then lower threshold until the gain reduction meter moves on strong notes. This ensures the pedal acts on peaks rather than compressing every note continuously, giving you dynamic control right away. Once the compressor responds, focus on how it breathes. Shorten attack to around 1 to 10 milliseconds to tame slap transients, or slow it to 20 to 40 milliseconds to let pick and finger attack through for warmth. Then set release between 100 and 400 milliseconds. Shorter release gives punch, longer release sustains notes smoothly. Make sure to add makeup gain to bring level back up so the compressed signal matches bypass. Toggle the pedal to compare wet verses, dry, and preserve tone balance as you finish by balancing the pedal in context. Play with the band or backing track and trim highs or low mids if compression makes your sound muddy. If you hear pumping, lower the ratio or lengthen the release. If attack disappears, raise threshold slightly so transients peek through. Finally, choose pedal order. Put the compressor before overdrive for tight dynamics or after for consistent drive, and lock your settings. If something still feels off, back to the meter and tweak one control at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.